Pre-K Lesson 9, Spring Flower Arranging. Do you know what season it is? That's right, it is spring. Spring is a time of new growth and new life in our garden. Spring has its own signs or symbols. Symbols are objects that represent or take the place of something else. When you see these signs and symbols, they mean spring. Colorful spring flowers, rainy weather and rain puddles, umbrellas, flower bulbs, watering cans, and new green plant shoots. Spring is a wonderful time to see a special thing in nature called pollination. Pollen is the sticky yellow powder in the middle of flowers. Bees and butterflies, called pollinators, eat the pollen and drink the sweet-smelling nectar from the flowers. Pollinators then spread pollen as they fly around visiting different flowers. Pollination is needed for fruits, vegetables, and seeds for new plants to grow. We can see or observe pollination in action in our garden. We can see or observe pollen on flowers in our garden. Can you see the yellow pollen in the middle of flowers? During our garden lesson, we will enjoy arranging spring flowers. To arrange means to place something in order. We will arrange our flowers in a nice display so they look pretty. A container that holds flower arrangements is called a vase. Did you know a bouquet is a group of nicely arranged flowers? Flower arranging procedures. We will each have our own spot at the special flower arranging table. First, we will pour water into our vase. Then, we will take turns visiting the garden flower shop to choose flowers or blooms. Next, we will arrange our flowers in our vase or put them in a pretty order. Finally, we will use scissors to cut and arrange our last flower. We will place our finished flower arrangements around the school to decorate for spring. Our school community will enjoy our beautiful flower arrangements. What a wonderful way to celebrate spring! During our April garden lesson, we will enjoy a class story time reading the book Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ehlert, take a spring garden walk, noticing signs of spring and pollination activity, identify and discuss pollen while flower arranging, create a flower arrangement to celebrate spring and beautify our school. We will see you soon for flower arranging in the garden.